CapLock Action Camera Quick Release System. CapLock enables instant gear mounting and dismounting, and side security lock brings a secure fit. The system includes an action camera adapter and a 1/4-inch adapter, making it compatible with action cameras, smartphones, and mirrorless cameras. Plus, the quick release plate supports 4-way installation. First, meet the CapLock MantisPod Z. This outdoor enthusiast dream can reach an impressive 540 millimeters when fully expanded. It offers 5 shooting modes: the innovative Mantis mode, comfortable grip mode, classic extension mode, steady tripod mode, and the action-ready briefcase mode. For those seeking an immersive first-person perspective, our neck mount is the answer. The soft rubber brings sustained comfort, and the chest harness strap ensures steady filming. CapLock Action Camera Extension Pull Tripod. Extendable, portable, and enjoyable. Unleash your passion for cycling and record your journey like never before with our handlebar mount and helmet mount. And get ready to document your drive in style with our suction cup mount, free-arm suction mount, and magnetic mount. CapLock lets you embrace smoothness and speed in action-packed photography adventures.